Welcome friends to this video. Today I will show with you friends how to cancel your Jobseeker subscription. So guys, go to this contact option here, jobseeker.com/contact. Right here, subject cancel subscription, and from here you can cancel your subscription guys directly by clicking the button below. Click cancel subscription, and then write your email guys, address, all your information option, email address and contact option to cancel your subscription guys. This is how you can do guys. It is easy steps. Just log in your account with your email address, and then guys click continue. After that, click directly from here guys, as they say, go back here this section, click cancel subscription directly from here, and complete the steps to cancel your subscription. I don't like this guys, I don't have premium subscription. If you have premium, you see subscription cancel from the down below. I hope guys this video helpful for you, and don't forget to give like and share this video for more.